Good morning, candidates. I'm requesting one of our candidates, Kaviram, to read for us today's important news. This may be of use for people appearing for interview in the next few days, and even otherwise, it will be a knowledge for us. Please read, Mr. Kavi Ram.
Yes, sir. SBI to shift global back office from Kolkata to Mumbai. State Bank of India is likely to shift its centralized global back office and some other foreign exchange related departments from Kolkata to Mumbai, the country's financial capital. In yet another move to centralize operations, the back office was set up in 2015 of joy when
In the city of,
Anantati Pat yes, sir.
in the city of joy,
In City of Joy when Anantati
Arundhati.
Patta
It is
Anu
wrongly. It is actually
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Arundhati.
Arundhati Pattacharya was
Ama.
Arundhati Pattacharya was the chairperson of the bank. The bank office works 22/7 to cater to customers in Sydney, Bahrain, Hong Kong, London, and New York. The bank has not formally announced the move but started preparing ground for it. Three people aware of the development said Economic Times. RBI imposes penalties on DCP Bank. Tamil Nadu Mercantile
No,
Bank.
not
That
this one. This one.
okay.
RBI says
RBI says won't drop higher risk weights for loans to PSU NBFCs after bank seeks easier norms. The Reserve Bank of India RBI has rejected a demand from the bank to scrap higher risk weight for loans to government backed entities such as Power Finance Corporation, Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency, and IIFCL in a letter sent earlier this month. The RBI said it cannot make an exemption for any particular set of non banking financial companies and said people familiar with the matter. We will discuss it with the government and other stakeholders and make a fresh representation with consultations if required. A senior bank executive told the Economic Times. RBI imposes penalties on DCP Bank, Mercantile Bank. The Reserve Bank of India on Tuesday it has imposed penalties on DCP Bank and Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank for non-compliance with certain directions related to interest rate on advances. A monetary penalty of rupees 63.6 lakhs have been imposed on DCP Bank. The RBI said in a statement, in a separate release, the central bank informed that a penalty of rupees 1.31 crore has been imposed on Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank for non-compliance with certain directions issued by its on interest rate on advances and central repository of information on large credits. Revision in reporting. Economic Times.
this is over.
Yes,
Now
sir. We
this
have
one.
it.
Yeah.
Bank
Bank
of
of
India.
India.
The Bank of India.
I think this is repeated, I think so.
Yes.
Oh, it cannot be request edit access. Oh, it cannot be done. It's okay, it doesn't matter. Now read Bank of
Bank
India.
of India. Bank of India cuts home loan rate by 15 PBS to 8.3% till March 31. Public sector lender bank of India on Tuesday announced a reduction in new home loan rates to 8.3% from 8.45% and fully waived off processing fees as a limited period offer till the end of this month. The bank claimed that at 8.3%, it has the lowest rate among its peers. For SBI and HDFC Bank, which are the industrial leaders, the lowest rate begins at 8.4%. The offer is valid up to March 31, it added. The bank also said it's offering a special financing for rooftop solar panels at 7% interest rate with no processing fee. Financial Express. Axis Bank to support Tata Memorial supported National Cancer Grid with 100 crore contribution. A national tumor biobank and a cancer teleconsultation network are among the projects that will be supported by a 100 crore contribution towards the National Cancer Grid (NCG) from Axis Bank as a part of 5 years partnership. Axis Bank will support NCG, a network of 300 plus cancer centers across the country, coordinated by the Tata Memorial Hospital under the Tata Memorial Center. The aim is to improve cancer care and research in terms of access and digital adoption. A note from the Axis Bank said on formalizing a memorandum of understanding with Tata Memorial business line. Growing CASA deposit biggest challenge for small banks. ESFF SFB chief mobilizing low cost current account savings account CASA deposit continue to be the biggest challenge for small lenders. ESAFE Small Finance Bank ESAF SFB Managing Director and CEO K. Paul Thomas tells FE while big banks may not face a challenge in accurating current account and savings account deposit, CASA deposit, it has become a challenge for new small-sized banks, large corporates who usually park money with the large banks. Nowadays, do not keep funds in current account and just use the sweep in and sweep out facility, which essentially comes under the short-term FD category. He said financial experts.
Yeah, 1 minute. Huh?
Okay.
Okay. Now continue.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Credit on UPI stuck due to the fee structure low adoption. A lack of clarity on the interchange fee structure and lower adoption among smaller merchants has weighted on credit through Unified Payment Interface volumes (UPI), says expert. While National Payment Corporation of India has not officially disclosed volumes for credit on UPI industry, experts acknowledge that the volumes have been negligible so far since
very good.
credit has associated.
We'll stop this.
Okay.
We'll read only the first few lines. A
Okay.
majority of online
A majority of online banking users pay hidden charges. Report
report.
says yes. Yes. A survey by coming.
Yeah,
Okay.
doesn't matter. Next, Arvind Kapil.
Arvind Kapil named CEO of Poonawalla FinCorp.
Okay. Next, India's
India's
this
net
is over.
direct
I think we
yes,
have already studied alternative payments.
alternative payment drive 58% of e-commerce.
Okay. Last one, bond issues to
Bond issues to increase in financial year 25
lending rates to ease only from
or only from H2. India's
H2.
rating is
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now we will stop this